Hi, my name is Jonathan, Product Specialist at SciAps. We just received this unit in for service, and you can see a little bit of scratching here, a little gouge here, and the nose is coming up a little bit here, but you would have never known this unit took a 10-foot fall off a forklift. But even with a little bit of cosmetic damage, the internals are still good, and it does the one thing that we want our analyzers to do, which is separate alloys. So we got some samples here just to show. This is 304, identifies it right away. Finish the test. Done. 304, 100%. 303.
I don't know. That's a fair question.
Quick ID there too. And we can go to what we're best at, is identifying aluminums fast. So here we got 356. Right away. 6061. 100%. And let's just go with 1100 to finish it off. Everything looks good internally. The only damage on this unit is cosmetic, which really speaks to the durability of the SciAps analyzers.